Hi friends, welcome back to my channel after a long time. Today I am going to unbox a Amazon Fire TV stick. I just got this from Amazon. I have already gotten with the full remote control Fire TV stick. Today I am going to unbox without TV controls Fire TV stick, full HD one. This is the end of this year 2021. I wish you a very happy new year 2022. Wishing you get all the success this year. May the new year bring you all the peace, joy and happiness. I am going to unbox this and give you a full review. This is Fire TV stick Lite. You can use it in the any HD TV to stream different OTT service contents. You can see in the box Amazon Fire TV stick Lite, Alexa voice remote control. They have provided two AAA batteries, power adapter, USB cable and HDMI extender cable. You need a high internet speed with Wi-Fi and HD TV or any monitor. You can start streaming, watch all your favorite YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar, Prime Videos, ZEE5 and Sony Live, plus access live news, sports, as well as million of websites such as Facebook and Reddit. And you can also stream YouTube videos on this Fire TV stick. Let's open the box and see what's there in the box. As we open the box, it comes in well packed in a box, within a box. Alexa voice remote. You don't get TV remote controls in this remote, but you can control everything on the Fire TV stick. Only power up and volume control you will miss in this remote. This is the main part of the Fire TV stick. You have to attach this one to the HDMI port of your TV. You have to connect this to HDMI port. This is HDMI extender. If your TV is attached to the wall, then you cannot directly connect like this. So you can connect this one and you can attach this without touching the wall. This is manual guide. You can read this if you want to get to know how to connect. USB-A to USB-B power cable, and you get here two batteries as well as power adapter. This is Amazon Fire Stick adapter. You have to connect the Fire Stick with this adapter only. You don't have to use any other power adapter. It has its output. You can see here 1 amp. You can open the remote like this. Insert batteries. Then it's ready. Then I will show you how to connect to the TV. You can directly attach to your HDMI port in the TV directly if you want. Another way, you can connect with the extender like this. Then you can attach this one to your TV. You have to connect this USB power cable to the Fire TV stick Lite device into the micro USB port. USB port to the power adapter like this. Then you can plug it to the power socket. That's all. Only you have to pair this remote for the first time, and you have to set up after attaching to the TV. I will show you that. You have to attach Fire TV stick like this. in the HDMI port that I have attached here, right here, like this adapter. Then I have attached this Fire TV stick light like here. Then I'm going to plug in this Amazon Fire TV stick adapter to the power socket. That's all. You can switch on. As you can see here, as switching on, this Fire TV stick boots. It searches for remote, tap play button, then select language, here Indian English. It scans for network. You need to have a good speed Wi-Fi hotspot. At initial stage, it searches for any update and downloads the update and installs automatically. If any software update is required, then it gets started. Now you have to register this device through Amazon account. Either way, you can do it by installing Fire TV app in the mobile, or by the remote tapping and typing Amazon account and password. We can register any one type of registering and linking to Amazon account. You can register this device by logging into Amazon website, then linking this device by entering a activation code. The code displaying on the TV screen. As it successfully registered, you can then continue and select apps. In the meantime, if you want to save network passwords to the device, you can do it by clicking yes on the screen. If children are there in your house, you can set up parental controls if you want. Else you would no need to select that option. At initially, you have to choose the apps you like to have in the Fire TV stick. It can be also downloaded later on, but initially it is better to choose your favorite apps. Now the device is ready to use. Now you can navigate through the screen, navigation keys, and select whichever app you want to look into to watch the content, by tapping Alexa voice button. You can give voice commands to open any app, or you can directly search for any song or movies or any serial content through the Alexa app. It gives you result. That's it in this video. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.